If you are looking to lose weight, then TRME MyGoal can support you. The food supplement is vegan, it's gluten-free, and it contains carefully selected ingredients like glucomannan to contribute to weight loss. Glucomannan is a fiber from a root of the konja plant, and it has this fantastic ability to absorb water, which means that it will form like a viscous gel-like mass inside of your stomach when it's mixed with liquid, a big glass of water for instance, and it's this mass effect that can lead to a decrease in the subsequent energy intake. MyGoal also contains a complex of vitamins. We have vitamin C, vitamin B6 and vitamin B12 in, and that can provide you and your body with key micronutrients at the same time. And all of those vitamins contribute to a normal energy yielding metabolism, and vitamin B6 has a beneficial role in the production and breakdown of proteins and carbohydrates, which are also important. MyGoal comes in the form of a white powder. It is completely flavor-free, and you mix 1 sachet of powder with a big glass of water, so at least 250 milliliters. Drink it right after you mix it before it thickens too much, because it will thicken, and that's to create this mass effect in your stomach that I just explained. You can also mix it with other liquids or food, for instance in a yogurt if you prefer, but don't forget to drink a big glass of water after. And it needs to be taken approximately 15 to 20 minutes before a meal, 3 times a day. And why 3 times a day? That's because you get the benefits through a daily intake of 3 grams of glucomannan in 3 doses of 1 gram each. And then of course in the context of an energy restricted diet. If you're doing intermediate fasting and you don't eat 3 meals a day, then you can take MyGoal before a snack. If you want to lose weight, you ideally want to lose fat and not muscle mass. So therefore it's important to follow a healthy eating plan, include loads of proteins and exercise on the side. And then please keep in mind that muscles are heavier than fat. So gaining weight is not always an indication that you're doing everything wrong and not reaching your goals.